Hey guys, this is gonna be kind of a short video because I have to give you guys a little bit of an update because I haven't given you one in a while. You might have noticed that it's been like 3 months since I last posted a crochet tutorial. Some of you know what's been going on, some of you don't, so I thought I'd just like give a little bit of a recap. I don't even have my microphone with me because I'm currently like staying in a different city, but I thought I would just shoot this and just put it up on my YouTube channel for you guys to like have a look at so you can get an idea of what's going on. Basically, I have developed like recurrent pain in my shoulders from crocheting, and it's starting to affect other areas of my life as well, like just my everyday life, working, going for walks, driving, everything seems to affect it. This sounds really dramatic. It kind of is. I had to stop rock climbing as well, which was my favorite sport, sadly, because the shoulder pain was just too much. And I want you guys to know that I have tried crocheting multiple times since it started getting worse. This all started about 9 months ago. So I did a stupid challenge where I saw how fast I could crochet like these little octopi for an hour, and I didn't like prop my elbows up on anything. I was just holding the crochet hook like that, and I'd been having problems in the past, like a little bit with my shoulders, but this just completely set it off. I went to physiotherapy for like months and nothing really fixed it, nothing much changed, and I got a personal trainer to help like strength train my shoulders, and overall the general consensus is that I cannot go on like this. I cannot keep crocheting. So that's why I had to stop about 2 months ago, and I have tried crocheting twice since then, and 2 weeks ago I crocheted for 10 minutes and my shoulders tightened up so much that I was in so much pain for the next week. It's just proven once again that sadly I can't do anything about it, and it's not worth it. I am going to see a rheumatologist this Friday to see if I have any like other condition that's affecting it, as my GP thinks that it might be something to do with my hypermobility. So if it is, I guess we're gonna find out on Friday. I've had multiple issues with sports that I've tried in like the past few years. I had to quit running, and now I can't run more than 50 meters without my leg like completely cramping up on itself. So that was like 4 years ago, and I'm still injured from that. And now it's crochet, you know, that happened 9 months ago and I'm still injured from it. And that's why I don't see a future for myself in crochet anymore necessarily. But what am I gonna do about the channel? That's kind of what I wanted to make this video for. I need to ask you guys because I don't know what to do with this channel. I feel like I'm so niched into crochet. Like I'd love to do like vlogs and little things like that, but I don't know if any of you guys are actually gonna watch them or enjoy them. So I'm kind of like stuck in a little spot and I don't know what to do with this channel, and it's quite upsetting because, you know, I put a lot of work into it and we're up to like 160,000 of you guys, and I can't create any content to share with you. And I'm picking up other hobbies now. Like I've started baking, and I'm hopefully gonna start swimming a little bit, although that might be a little bit hard on my shoulders. But at the moment I'm just trying to deal with the pain because it's sort of gone into my everyday life as well. And I don't know, I want to keep making videos and I want to keep sharing them with you guys. I want to keep sharing my life with you guys, but it's kind of just, it's a tough point. I don't know if any of you guys will watch them if I put it up. I don't know if YouTube will hate me because I'll go from posting crochet tutorials and this niche to general everyday stuff. So please let me know what you guys think. I just thought I'd share this as a little bit of an update. Even if I don't post regularly on here, I'll still probably post like once every 3 months for little updates. But I do want to post regularly on here. I just don't know if you guys are going to hate that and just like unsubscribe and be like, I don't want to watch it again. But also I don't want to let this channel go to waste. So if you guys have any ideas, please let me know. Also, I'm very sorry for the mess in the background. I'm just moved into a new apartment, so kind of crazy stuff. I had to move cities and all that for my new job. Let me know what you guys want to see. I don't know what to do with this channel and I need your help. So definitely drop a comment below. All right, that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one if I post another one, which hopefully I will. Bye.